Good morning everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is kind of just a chill vlog, but my exams are finally done, so now it's really just chilling around the house during this quarantine and trying to get some other work done and stuff. But thought I'd start off this vlog with an outfit of the day. At this point it really is just sweats all the time, mixing and matching literally everything. I'm wearing my gray misguided hoodie and my blue TNA track pants today. There's not much of a plan for today, so I thought I'd just take you guys around and whatever happens. So I just made myself a little cup of green tea. I wasn't really feeling coffee this morning. I thought tea was kind of more the way to go, especially because of cramps and everything. I don't know if this is a TMI for some of you, but like caffeine and cramps are a big old X, whereas I'm gonna go with a herbal tea this morning because that's just the better way to go. But I thought I'd sit down and do a little bit of an everyday makeup routine with you guys, just an updated one. A few of you were asking if I could do an updated one, and I haven't done one in a while, so I thought why not? But before I get into that, I just wanted to share some of my favorite everyday jewelry with you guys. You guys always ask me where my jewelry is from. So today, all the jewelry that I'm wearing and what I've been wearing recently is from Ana Luisa. So these earrings here that I'm wearing, as well as the little chain necklace that's kind of hiding down there. I like keeping my jewelry really simple, really minimalistic, and I love that Ana Luisa really fits that style and really fits my style. So I've been wearing their stuff like non-stop recently. Also, their packaging was the absolute cutest. It came in this little navy box that you pull out, and then every single separate piece of jewelry has its own little velvet envelope. And then this is another one of the pieces that I got, but it just comes so cute like this. This is a little ring that I got. I really wanted to start getting into wearing more like nice rings, so that's gorgeous. But I love the packaging. I think it's so cute, and just I like that you have little things that you can keep them in when you're not wearing them. Not only that, but the prices are insane for the quality. They have some cheaper ends starting at like $39 all the way up to real diamonds and like 14 karat gold jewelry at around like 500 and up. So they range in price and they're just great quality overall. But I also love that they are eco-friendly and care about the earth and their production, which is something that is super important to me. You know, I've talked about this before if you've been around my channel, that I really, what I'm buying, I want to make sure that it's produced sustainably. So this company makes sure that they're reducing their carbon footprint. They try and get their carbon emissions down to 0, which is amazing. I just think that if it's something that I'm going to purchase and wear, why not purchase it from a company that's going to be helping our earth rather than adding to the mess that it already is. So I will leave a link down below for you guys that you can go check out Ana Luisa, as well as a discount code down below. I've actually been wearing these pieces non-stop though, and I'm honestly just in love with them. I think they're so my style, and it's just simple, minimalistic, neutral, great gold tones. I love all of their stuff. But let's get into the everyday makeup now. My skin has kind of not been behaving. Like you can see there's all these little annoying red marks. So I'm gonna get into my makeup. I already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna go right ahead and start priming my face. Recently I've been using the Marc Jacobs Coconut Refreshing Primer. I just got a little trial one to try out to make sure it didn't make my skin react or anything, and it's been going good so far. So I just put a little bit of this all over my face. But yeah, I mentioned earlier how I was done exams. I'm so glad. I haven't gotten any of my results back yet, but I'm definitely glad to be done because I felt like it was so dragged on because of COVID and everything, and it just was a situation like there was more work to be done even though it was all almost done, and I don't know. But next I'm going to go in with foundation, and I use the Laura Mercier foundation in the color Ivory. It's the Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation. I've been using this for a while now. I really love Laura Mercier's foundation. I find that it's like medium coverage, but it's buildable, which is really, really nice. Because I don't like super heavy makeup. I've never been the type of person to wear super, super heavy full coverage makeup. So I find that this foundation is literally just perfect, and it's what you see me wearing all the time in literally probably almost every single one of my videos. And yes, I do use a foundation brush. I tried a beauty blender once, but I normally do that with my cover up. I don't use the beauty blender for my foundation. I don't know why, I just don't like the way that it puts foundation on. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of cover up, and recently I've been using this vegan cruelty-free one from Revolution. I picked it up at just my local drugstore because I ran out of my other one, and Sephora shipping takes too long and because of COVID and everything. So I picked this one up just to try it out, and I've actually really been loving it. I grabbed a shade though that is slightly too pink for me, but other than that, I love the consistency of it, and it doesn't make my skin break out at all. It's really smooth. So other than the shade being wrong, which is my own fault, I think that this concealer is great, especially on a budget. Like, it's really nice. I think it was only $11.99, which is great. And like I said, the consistency is great. It's super smooth, and yeah, no complaints besides that I picked the wrong shade. Okay, now that my base is all done, I'm just gonna set that with my NYX HD Studio finishing powder. So I just take the end of my beauty blender and kind of gently take a little bit and dab it mostly under my eyes to bake. A little bit on my forehead because I get crease lines there, and then in my smile lines as well. And then I will brush that all off when I'm done my eyes. So then for my eyes, I recently have been using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, because I love these orangey tones here. I think they're so pretty. I use my own brushes, not the kit brush, but so I'm just gonna be taking orange soda. This is not the right brush. I just take orange soda and put that all over my lid. I like a really light eye because I have really dark hair and dark eyebrows. Light eyeshadow kind of just works better for me. Also, I wanted to address a few comments I've gotten. Some people have said I look like James Charles, or like the female version of James Charles, and I don't see it. I really don't. So I don't know why people keep commenting that, but I've gotten it a few times now that I look like James Charles. So, you know, maybe we need to ask him, see what he thinks. If he thinks I look like him, you know? I don't know, but I don't know how you guys see it. I've also gotten a few other people that I look like, which some of them I've agreed with, but the James Charles one, I don't see it, guys. I really don't. Alright, so now I'm done my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna wipe off my bake and then do my mascara. So, I like to curl my lashes before I do my mascara, and I just use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've been using this forever. I love it. But I like curling my lashes because not only are my lashes like blonde at the tips, so like that's why I always look like I never have eyelashes before I put mascara on, but they also go like straight out, they don't curl up, so I like curling them before I put on my mascara. I just find it really helps because I have short eyelashes in general anyways, so I like curling them so that it looks like I actually have lashes on. I prefer to get my lash extensions back on at some point, but this is obviously the cheaper alternative. But I love the volume that it gives my lashes. It gives my lashes length and volume, and this is honestly hands down my favorite mascara. I've tried a few others, but none of them have worked like this one. So I'm just gonna keep sticking to this one until someone convinces me otherwise. So if you have a mascara that you want to try and convince me otherwise is the best, go for it. I love to try other mascaras because I've never tried any other ones because I love this one. Well, not true. I've tried like 3 or 4 other ones, but this is always my fallback. All right, see, and now I actually look like I have eyelashes and it's great. I don't typically do any bronzer or any contour or anything in my daily routine. I'm just not a huge fan of that type of thing, but I do love highlighter. And my go-to was always the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop, but recently I've been trying a Marc Jacobs one, and what is this? This is the Do You Dewdrops. It's the coconut gel highlighter, and it's like a liquid highlighter, and I think it's so glowy and gorgeous, and I just need to find my applicator brush that I've been using. Okay, I can't seem to find it, so normally I use a brush, but sometimes I also just use my fingers, and you just need like the tiniest little dot, and that's enough for both sides. I just do 1 dab on either side. That's honestly probably going to be too much. And then a little bit on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And it smells so good. Like coconut and vanilla are honestly my favorite flavors. And then I kind of just gently like dab it, rub it in, because it's super, super pigmented. This honestly has been my new favorite highlighter, and I took a little bit too much, so we're just going to be super glowy today. But the consistency of it is honestly amazing. Like, it's just the perfect little gel highlighter. I normally am not a fan of liquid highlighters, but this one is insanely amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna use this little brush to kind of just blend it in a little bit more because it's super pigmented. And then sometimes if I'm really, really feeling it, maybe not the Champagne Pop. I also have the Becca highlighter, a mini one in Moonstone. And sometimes if I'm really feeling it, I'll take just a little tiny little bit of this and brush it over top of the gel before it dries. And I'm a super, if you can't tell, I love highlighter so much. And sometimes I'll literally just wear mascara and highlighter. And that's my makeup. That's really bad. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and I like being super glowy. The lighting's really bad in here, so you can't really see. You just see my shiny forehead. But I love that so much. And now for lips, always moisturize. I did at first too, before I started my makeup. But any sort of MAC lipstick, lip gloss, any MAC is the bomb. I love MAC lipstick. This is the one that I wear all the time. You guys are always asking. It's Velvet Teddy, and it's the matte version, but it's just this perfect like nude pink, and I love it so much. And I find for me, it matches my lip shade perfectly. Like, my lip is already this color, but this just defines the parts where it kind of fades a little bit more. and makes my lips a little bit more defined, but otherwise I find this is the perfect lip color for my lip shade. And there you have it. That is my everyday makeup routine updated. I keep it pretty simple, very glowy. I love glowy makeup. But now it's time to get on with the rest of my day. I've got some YouTube work to do today. I've got some selects to make from an upcoming sponsor that I'm really excited for. So I gotta do that. And then I might have to run some errands or something. But that is as far as what I know what is going on today. So we're going for a little sunset walk tonight. As you can already see, it's starting to go down out there, but we have this spot and trail right near our house that's normally quiet, not much people walk on it, and we can see the sunset perfectly. So we're just gonna go for a little walk tonight to go see the sunset, maybe take some pictures. See my photography boy there. I'll link his photography account down below so you guys can go check it out if you want. But yeah, we're gonna go for a walk, and then on our way back, gotta check the mailbox to see if anything's come. But that is what is up for tonight. So this was the little spot, but the sun has already kind of gone behind those houses, so we were a little bit late. Hello, little friend. This little guy just swam up to us. We're just taking pictures here at this spot with the sun. He just floated right over. We just got back from our walk. I am literally freezing cold. It was only 5 degrees outside. Like, my fingers are still kind of pink. But I'm gonna sign off from the vlog now just because it's the end of the night. But I will leave Ana Luisa's link down below again and the discount code, so be sure to go check them out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope to see you in the next one. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.